Exercise number 2. You want to draw the wheel. The wheel consists of the rim, hub, spoke. Let's start from the rim. The rim cross-section circle, diameter of the circle 1 and 1/8. Dimensions are in inches. Distance between the center of the circle and center of the wheel, 10 diameter. That means distance from here to here, 5. So we have dimensions. Let us start. File, new file, go to English units, select standard. Okay, we want to sketch the rim cross section on this plane, which is the right plane. Let me draw a circle here. We can track the center of the file like this. Draw the circle. Okay, now constraining the circle, as we said, diameter 1 and 1/8. So dimension, diameter, just write 1 space 1/8. No need to calculate the result. Inventor will calculate it by default. Enter. Now distance from here to here, we said how much, guys? 5. Distance from the circle to this point should be 5. If we want to revolve the circle, we need what? Axis. So let me draw a construction line from here to here. Finish the drawing and the sketch, and now what? Revolve. Inventor by default selected the area. Activate the axis. Select the axis and indicate how much the angle. By the way, if we go back to the drawing, this is break section view, guys. That's just to show you some hidden features. So it is complete drawing, not like this. So full angle, done. So we finished the rim, guys. Now what we should do? We want to draw the hub. Okay. So guys, let me go to origin just to show you this plane. This plane. Let me activate the plane by making it visible. Now if we draw our sketch on this work plane, I will draw from the center of the file 2 circles, first, second, and we need what? The key. The key is here. Okay, surely we have to trim this line, this line, this line, this line, and you can select equal constraint, make this line and this line are equal. Yes, we have problem here. We can make it horizontal constraint, this line, and these lines vertical lines, sorry, vertical, this one vertical, the other one done. Now we have dimensions. The outer diameter 2.25. So select the outer diameter, dimension, outer diameter, diameter 2.25. The inner diameter, how much, guys? It gives us radius. How much the radius for the inner one? The inner one, as we said, it is 1.125 rem. 1.125 rem. I don't know how much radius. We can set. We can do the following, guys. Again, let me delete it. Dimension, select the inner one, right click, dimension type what? I don't want to calculate how much the radius. I don't know. So diameter, how much? I told you guys it is 1.125. Let me check again. 1.125 rem means diameter. Okay, now regarding the key, dimensions for the key. Here the smaller one 3/16, the larger one 3/8. So this dimension should be 3/8, and this height should be how much, guys? 3/16. Done. At the center of the file on the XY plane, let me go to XY plane, right click, make it invisible. By the way, we can select from here, right click, visibility off, just to show you from right our drawing at the middle exactly. Now we will make extrude. I'll select the area in between. How much the height of extrusion, guys? From here to here, it's 1 and 3 over 4. We can write 1 space 3 over 4. But we want to extrude them to the left or to the right or both sides. Very good. Okay, done. Now, guys, go to the spoke. The cross section for the spoke, it's ellipse. Major axis given, minor axis given. So we have to select at the beginning the work plane where we want to place the sketch of this ellipse. Is it on XY plane? Is it, YZ plane, XZ plane, or XY plane? I prefer what? YZ plane? No, I will show you why not. I will show you why not. Let me make it visible and start sketch. I want to sketch on this work plane. I can't see anything. While the sketch active, right click on the sketch, guys, go to slice graphics. It is not actual slicing, it's imaginary slicing, just to show you internal details. Okay, now we want to draw an ellipse here. That's right. Let me go to ellipse, center of the ellipse, say here, major axis, minor axis. Just an example. I will come back and do it correctly. Okay, just finish. Now we agreed that we'll make what? Extrude. We want extrude to down. That's right. How much the height? No need to know how much the height. It should be connect between the spoke and between the hub and the rim. So say 5. Good in this case. Okay. If I press OK, guys, see what happened. I can fix it. I can draw something here and cut it. No problem. But this is not correct. Okay. So, guys, what I will do, I will make undo. Okay, keep this work plane. I will create a new work plane. We have options, as you see. We have many options here. One of them, we can offset from a plane. So I want a plane, offset from this plane. How much distance? I don't know exactly. Okay. We can pick the arrowhead like this and move it down, and we can place it here, just inside this material, because I will connect between the hub and the rim. Say OK. Go back to this one. Right click, visibility off. Now we can sketch on this work plane. Same step. Right click, slice graphic. Now we want to draw ellipse at the center of the file. Okay, this is an axis and this is an axis. Okay, now go back to the drawing. How much this length? It's 1 and 1 over 8. That's right. Half of it, how much? Yes, half of the 1 and 1 over 8. Now 1, it is 8 over 8, plus 1 over 8, it's 9 over 8. That's right. Half of 9, 4.5 divided by 8. Okay, so dimension for this ellipse, it does make this one how much? 4.5 divided by 8. Okay, the other one, guys, it's 5 divided by 8. Half of it, 2.5. So dimension, select the ellipse. This one should be 2.5 divided by 8. Finish your drawing. Now make extrude. The area selected by default. Down, very good. And the height, say that 4. 4, I think it's okay, 4. 4, it will correctly connect between the spoke and the rim and the hub. Say OK. Now look to the drawing. Okay, guys? Okay? Now how we can repeat the same? Let me go to this work plane, right click, remove visibility. We have a tool called circle button. Which feature I want to copy? I want to copy this feature. Around which axis? Around the axis of this cylinder. The outer one or the inner one? Correct, no problem. How many copies with the original? We have, go back to the drawing. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So with the original we have 5. The 5 will fill full angle 360. Just say okay, we got the wheel. Okay guys, now go back to here. We have a fillet here with 0.25 radius. So click on this one, select 0.25 radius. We can do again, just to show you how we can use circular again for any feature. Circular button, I will select this feature. The axis, same axis of the cylinder. How many? We have 5. Full angle, done. Okay, and same here guys, we have a fillet. Where is it here? Yes, we have a fillet here. It's half between the spoke and the spoke. No need to do it guys, خلاص. This is enough for today. If you wish, you can select this one, fillet, and select 0.25 like the previous one, and same for this one. And also we can use the button, but no need. خلاص, select OK. Done.